Administrate. Meaning. Administrate means to manage or oversee the operations of something, such as a system, organization, or process, ensuring its smooth functioning. Definition. Administrate is a verb that refers to the act of controlling, directing, or supervising the affairs or responsibilities of an organization or system. Examples and sentences. 1. The principal was hired to administrate the school effectively. Here, administrate refers to managing the daily operations and affairs of the school. 2. John was assigned to administrate the company's financial department. In this sentence, administrate means overseeing and managing financial activities. Usage. Administrate is often used in formal contexts when discussing leadership, management, or governance of institutions, businesses, or systems.
English practice.